Welcome investors! Today we'll be talking about Delta Airlines and about making mistakes during investing. Making mistakes, I'll show you how mistakes are made all the way up on the top of investing world and all the way to the bottom of investing world. So if you are interested, keep watching. But first things first, I would like to tell you, like always, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial professional. Don't make any quick decisions based on this video. This video is for motivational purpose, for you to start reading, studying, and learning about this subject which we are going to talk about. And we are going to be talking about Delta Airlines, and like I said, about making mistakes when investing. Let's start maybe first to talk a little bit about Delta Airlines. I do own some shares of Delta Airlines. I bought them 9 months ago, and let me paint you a picture how this happened that I bought the Delta Airlines shares. In April and May, I heard the news that Warren Buffett was selling his airlines stocks. Of course, this was a time when the health crisis hit the hardest, and all stocks went down, drastically down, and the biggest losers were airline industry and the cruising industry. So basically, airlines just stop on the dime. Revenue went almost down 99%. They have no income coming in, huge expenses. Stocks went down drastically. So I heard the news that Warren Buffett was liquidating his airline shares. That was, like I said, around April, May. I don't know exactly. I think it was closer to April. And then a couple days later, I heard another news that he reduced his holdings in two biggest airlines below 10%, which gave him a chance to liquidate the rest of the shares without doing any filings. Because if there is over 10% ownership of the airlines, I think any stocks, you have to report this in your filings. And Warren Buffett reduced his holdings, and then after a couple weeks I heard that he completely sold out all his airline stocks. That was a big shock for me, because Warren Buffett is my guru, is my hero. And my investment strategy is based on his teachings. Buy when everybody is fearful, and sell when everybody is greedy. So I was really surprised that at the times when everybody was selling, he was also selling. And I started thinking about airlines, about my personal situation. How am I gonna go from US to Europe? Are they going to bring the boats? Am I gonna go on the magic carpet through the ocean? I was really surprised that Warren Buffett dumped the shares of companies which, in my view, are necessities for modern society. So what I decided to do, instead of selling, I decided to buy some shares. And in March 17 and March 20th, I bought some shares, small position. Later on, I'll show you my account as a proof that this was the timing which I exactly mentioned, March 17 and March 20th, 2020, when was the biggest crisis, when Warren Buffett dumped all his airline shares. I decided to buy. I decided to buy because I deeply believe that my hero is making mistake. With full respect to him, I believed that he's doing a wrong thing. Because nobody is perfect. Everybody from the top world of investing is making mistakes as well. And this was the mistake. Warren Buffett sold all his airline shares. They were worth around $7-8 billion, and he sold them for around $4 billion. So he lost between $3 and $4 billion. And this is, of course, drop in a bucket, okay? Because Berkshire Hathaway, $3-4 billion, it's like like $50-60 for me and you probably. So he sold it and I bought it because I deeply believe, like I said, that my hero is making mistake. I didn't want to follow his suit all the way. I follow his teachings, but I didn't follow his actions. And here we go. Right now, 9 months later, shares of Delta are $40. I bought for $21 and $31, and now I believe it's like around 80% up. Of course, I am nobody if you compare me to the Warren Buffett in the world of investing. But I just want to show you that even those people all the way on the top of the world of investing, they are making mistakes. It was, of course, a small mistake, but it was a mistake. It was a mistake because airline recovered. If you look at this chart, you can see that in April there was around 87,000 people screened on the airports, and around May was around 200,000. So the number of people who are traveling is increasing gradually. I don't have the newest chart, but I'm sure it's going up because we can hear around that airlines slowly, surely are recovering. Why? Because airlines are necessity. People will and they have to travel. For our society to grow, the airlines are necessity. Unless someone comes up with a new way of transporting people, like let's say teleporting or something like this. If you know about something like this, let me know. Then I'll dump my airline shares. But until then, we're gonna be using airlines to get from Philadelphia to Warsaw. No another way. We're not gonna use the boats like my grandfather used it in 1918 to get from Europe to New York. It took him around 3 weeks. It's not gonna happen. We're not going back to those times. And that was my thinking. I was deeply sure and deeply convinced that this industry, not maybe industry, but certain stocks of the big airlines like Delta, United, American Airlines, that they are gonna survive. Because some of the smaller airlines, they went down. They went belly up. But the big ones survived. And that was motivation behind my decision that I decided to buy Delta Airlines at the same time when Warren Buffett was selling. So here we go again. Top guru make a mistake. So everybody is prone to make mistakes. those guys on the top also. Why am I telling you about this? I just want to show you that in the world of investing, it is much better to read, to study, instead of following someone blindly. Because when you read, when you study, you process the informations and then you make decisions on your own. But if you follow someone blindly, for example, you sign up for the Discord chat or sign up for this course, they'll feed you with the informations and already with prepared answers. And you don't have to think, and you will feel good because this is your favorite guy. You like him, you like his channel, and you listen to this what he says, and you buy his course, and he's very good speaker, and you like how he talks, and you watch and follow him for many years. But the main goal of this course usually and this Discord chat is to make money for him, not for you. Because most of the time what he's spending is he's spending the time to make this course or to make this program, because this is a lot of work to write this down, to prepare everything, even to make the videos like this constantly. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. But now ask yourself a question: where is the time for actually making money for him or her from the stock market? So what is happening is that most of those people are making money from talking about money, pushing the courses, pushing the Discord groups, not actually making money from the stock market. I hope you get my point. I'm not trying to kind of, negate and kick all the courses, but like I said, my personal preferences are reading the book, studying, watching what another people are doing, and then making decision on your own. Because imagine, like this guy on the top, Warren Buffett, is making mistakes sometimes. He said that you don't have to be right all the time. You have to be right just a couple times and you will make it. So imagine yourself how many mistakes are making those guys which are much lower, okay? And the guys who are on the bottom like me, they're making tons of mistakes, but they're trying to make it look nice, smooth, so you can buy it. So the message which I want to send you is just, like I said, again, read, study, analyze, and take what's the best. Because there is so many informations around for free that you really don't have to pay for them. Especially nowadays, online. You can take so many things, educate yourself, and adjust this to your specific personal situation.
Right here you can see my Delta holdings, and it's really small position. I bought on March 17 10 shares for $31, and this was a mistake because I set for the price. I didn't set the price limit when I was buying. I click on the market price and it ran the price all the way up to 31. But I remember this day the price was around 21 or $22. So next time when I was buying on March 20th, I bought 187 shares for $21 and 36 cents. as of right now, January 2nd, or I'm sorry, December 30th or 31st. I don't remember which day was the last day when the stock exchange was open. The price is $40. So total, I invested 4,300. The return on investments is 3,600, and percentage wise is 83% return on investments over past 9 months.
Thank you very much for watching this quick video. If you have any comments, if you agree or disagree with me, please write this down in the comments. I would like to hear from you. I love your comments. They are educating me for free. Thank you so much for educating me. I really deeply appreciate all your comments. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the thumb up. That'll help me to grow this channel and spread the word about very simple investing. And remember, I am the guy who is all the way on the bottom of world of investing. What I'm doing, I'm just searching, I'm trying to make some money off the stocks. I'm exactly the same like you who is watching. I'm not some kind of guru, I'm not better, I'm not a financial professional. Take this video only as a motivation, okay? To study hard, to read, to research, and then process in your brain and make the best decision which suits your personal situation the best, okay? So if you like this video, please hit the thumb up. I really deeply appreciate all your support. Tell your friends about this channel. That'll help me greatly. And have a great day, and always take care about your health.